Well, that's Mike Custom Cruises, beautiful big kid here. We've got an old school bike. You want to use the old style loom as opposed to the modern one like this. Okay, cracking bit of kit here. We've got a wiring harness from Ultima. Now this is a very simple, like your old FLs, FXs, this kind of bike. Okay, very simple harness. Does your indicators, everything else, as you can see here. You got your left and right. It's got, for the old school wiring, 85 to 95, and it's also got 96 and later. You can see the colours are different. The main loom is white on this, okay. That goes to white from the off button. Okay, on this, the main loom white goes to white and black on the stop button. Okay, so they are differently wired, the early bikes to the late bikes. Basically, the later bikes have an earth return system. The earlier bikes tend to have a live to the accessory, okay, which is the way it was always done, and now they don't. You've also got another option here, which this is obviously a different part again. This is a much later system where you haven't got any of these trips or all these relays and stuff. It's all built in. Okay, so this one box does a lot. Very easy to wire up as well. You can see here, you've literally got start, kill, there your switches, okay? And this is for the later bikes, the colours, okay? This is for the older school bikes, which is why they give you a harness here, okay? But you could use this to match this. So if you wanted to use this with an old school bike, we can give you a copy of this, which will tell you what, if you've got the old bikes, what colours these newer bike looms are. Okay, but cracking bits of kit, both of them. If you're interested in any great wiring kits, we also do one of these with built-in LEDs, so it's got fault lights on it. So if you've got a fault, the light will come on. The guy who said, this loom's no good, the green lights aren't on, correct. It was perfect. It's just, you didn't realise that if the light's on, you got a problem. Okay, custom-cruisers.co.uk is actually being done at the moment. That's got 40,000 Zodiac products on it, and we are doing more. Okay, this should be all the parts here, all the custom chrome, everyone's parts that we do, you know, Ultima, everything. Okay, 01773835666, or alternatively Custom Cruisers, sales@customcruisers.com. Email me is the best way, because the phones are mental, and I'll be honest with you, this WhatsApping, all this other stuff's a bloody nightmare. You don't know who's done what, messengered and God knows what. WhatsApp business, WhatsApp personal. Okay, thank you. Ride safe, guys and gals.